Akwa ba kese bi ndeba Adom TV Adom TV so bedwonju medie so na dia o kan si onsempa esa kena no penso eja medin de Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudie catch ba ko pe the only nomenclature the professors green sports the original Wallace and mesin konya ekon quantum code of course evidence based sports presentation 8 major so a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step yesha CFF EPL matches ni bi betua san to nyame Adom ochina Manchester City beton so their Liverpool na the case in etia pem so sanso na Arsenal Omni AFC Bournemouth for the Bepem Sona face so Brighton for Everton said their West Bromwich for now Omni against Napem so Everton and Tottenham Hotspur species can Leicester City Brighton said their Chelsea na face Southampton one more so any Watford their King City Boston Stoke City and Manchester United and their King City beat Boston Nyame Adom akweseda Manchester na Arsenal to us be on Burnley Everton said their Crystal Palace no more shades can Swansea City and Newcastle United and their King City beat Boston e wo mutwemedia one so AD or England. You call ASP in Montana so dia. Yami Adom and Legionnaires beton said that Gatafi now their case na boss or China Real Madrid beton said that Levante now their case na boss Valencia beton said that Atletico Madrid now for Sevilla and so to said that Iba Barcelona and Espanyol and their case in the boss of Queseda matches and Besant was so Deportivo La Coruña beton said that Real Sociedad now for Atletico Club and Girona and their case in between boss so Celta de Vigo and Deportivo Alves Bishes Canafi Villarreal and so Real Betis and so their case in Etni Aridaso El Honum. Ekweni actually o man Ghana mu na fair hwese na nema esi ekoso a na se wafu tournament de ho santamatian san Ghana share so ina ye kire se nyame Adom mpemfo che se weekend di ana ebetwen se fiase on the 9th of September 2017 French for Becas September any countries no beat this really omni omaka woni na ebo market team de omni twan san chima beta san hye so kwachi aboa amanema etwan san kuye na ukom hwese na nema esi ekoso na se Ghana first game between Sabaso no e Indian Sports Stadium na hwese na hye ni sikwa president of the Ghana Football Association Tibere kese e de Ghana nyinada football ora kwesi antachi ne nkomo e fa wafo kensi no ni.
All roads are headed towards Cape Coast and Elmina for an eventful 2017 WAFO Cup of Nations. Most of the teams have arrived. We expect to have all of them in Accra by tomorrow. So Saturday we have the opening ceremony and the first game between Ghana and Gambia. Yes, the hotels have already been secured in Sekondi, in Takoradi and Cape Coast. The accommodation arrangements are not changing because those who play in Elmina can conveniently travel from Takoradi under this escort to Elmina and play the games. The same with those who have to play in Cape Coast from Sekondi or Takoradi. And so that arrangement has not been disturbed in any way. Many other teams are arriving today and tomorrow. The last team that will arrive will be Nigeria. They are ending their league on the 8th and they will arrive on the 9th. So their fixture has been rescheduled in order to accommodate their late arrival. So I can confirm to you all arrangements have been made to ensure a successful tournament. What we require now is patronage by the media and the fans to give it a resounding outfit.
Thank you. Okay. President of the Ghana Football Association question and teaching at and can say Ubian is Kakadia Fawa for Kinsi Kesenya Miadoma, a bit on the 9th of September year, now for the Echo 24th of September. Countries need now say Omatia Bedun Campuniman Tema, almost sharing him saying Miadoma, Moto Kid between Sediomachi, Amako Piemo, I was a candy Takradini Cape Coast, so now on the Sakinsi Kesi, Etian Sam Pemsona Films and Nema Bisiako, question and techi, Eke and Animo, and I'll tell and cancel and Kumo 18 Bano. Na ekoma maso kunadu nikita the local blaster team no mechire blaster B no wo na ekwa kwginam e de sa kansi acheche Ghana food na vre no chese o my crado.
It's very tough, you know how they play. You know, we know each other, so we have to just stick to our game plan. Yeah, as much as we want to go out there and beat them, they are also planning very hard to come and beat us. And we know the pressure will be on us because we are playing the tournaments here at home. And again, we are the defending champions, so we have to, you know, put up a very, very good show to at least restore our confidence from our supporters. We have to start well, because when you look at the way the competition is scheduled, if you don't win your first match, you are out already. You will not continue to play again, unless you beat your opponent before you go into the group stage. But previously, it was the vice versa. But now, if you don't beat your immediate opponent, you are out already. So it's very tricky, and we have to be very, very careful. And so once we also understand this, we put measures in place to make sure that we beat our first opponent.
Maswa Kredu and Aten Castle didn't come with him, but on the coach Edema Blaster B team no, and also the way Ejaye. But the Akumo Ministry of Youth and Sport for Kachan Cres, Sakatis Namia Domenano Pay, Ombeko Air National Under 17 Rantan Camp Akohe, say na Omapomo Don Semesia Konya was a Mutia Sans Enchibia, Ombeko India, a whole Anna Kensino on the 21-man squad the Biko PM, now Mako content in the Amagana, a World Under 17 Youth Championship against the beating at 2 Janu. Coach Parkwesi Fibin and a coach Penipa, Edema the Junior National Under 17 team, the Twinkle Little Stars of Ghana, and Koma on also the
well, Bibia Koma promise Bibia say in Sabbath Cantino is your money. Last time on board, we catch up, so we have 70% to 80% ready. Now, you call Tono or Europe, so and a boy, my operation I pay. It is a Mundus and Condia, operation I fully okay. He's a near Ghanaian.
Coach Parkwesi Fibin and our tenant cancer or didn't come with India for National Under 17 team in home. But under 17 for no country bakwa ya de kai into your pie Ghana or rest in the Mexico so at all levels or disciplines of the game no odo ni chirima na je senya dia ka ebipima itua players ne under 17 for started qualifiers na kan be na kam but still ma qualify for the World Cup. Anei Honorable Robert Safu Mensah ono Director General of the National Sports Authority Chesi Nyame Adoma obelidi crusade no baby aban di sika ko hinta bia no obeda no ho akura na ko iskan dia brem nantina sana Nyame Adoma omatufa akopiem ewo India.
In any situation on man economically ade a adwendwen gu so kese pa minim say the sesa abani ye bi on be feel motivated no matumi akoye no government will do its part. Sometimes wunya bi kra kasa obekasa chenipa no ama be na hu say nia ewo won ne ntem no wuremfi wani da so na wotu anamo no waye no eno kra chenipa no nkrai eno ne ba ya kan nyina. We have not forgotten. I think at the right time all these things will be settled.
Honorable Robert Safu Mensah, Director General of the National Sports Authority, now in Kano. Nearly 2 Mr. Bokano, a 2018 FIFA World Cup against in the Russia town and paying for Chelsea beating Sabas, but basis Sabri, Ghana and Timus, your quadra, and your quarter, month for Becca, years ago, and America says I World Cup, you party Nadia Ghana beating qualify and pa. Whereas Nation is your course and under you could Pimu Kumasi near Congolese counterparts, no, Ebo 1-1, El Honor Team Sampai, chair points, no. And the Sanko Pimu Kungu for Chelsea could come 5-1. Despite the fact that scoring was thrown there, but pass no way. Now they beating the Akubebia. Your qualifiers na matches best in Minubia KC it in the property. But then you know, we have Federal Circle Hupama, a Blasters Management Committee, a Vice Chairman Elho, which is an MSC course on the said you say were through in the tower. And our grown FM Jumedi, the latest airsport show on television, a grown FM on the Ghana Fokuju and the Disa and Komoy.
We are a Vice Chairman of Black Stars Management Committee. Ghana co-work Cup at Wasum Pemi and San. Who said Ghana? Your fourth World Cup no a reality and I said Ajigon said the Republic say Yankase Ajigon
Yankase Ajigon, but I can tell you say your chances yeah about 1%.
1%?
Yeah, of getting to the World Cup.
Why?
There is no way Egypt will even draw against Congo. There is no way Egypt. Mamoto. And I said, Monsieur Niatu Kumasi no. After the game, me was a minso, Samensirio, Semuminao. I was in a state of confusion.
Confusion?
Yes. Me apa me do me phone Saturday throughout the day.
And then you see Kumasi. What happened?
Complacency.
Complacency?
Complacency.
From who?
And I'm saying, we analysis now. Me catch them for the be there. Looking at Egypt, they had played Ghana or home, Cairo. You born home, the likelihood say Egypt be winning against Ghana very high. Okay. They had also played Congo our away, which was a cheaper option. So they had a cheaper option for a start. We take off to a good starter. As a plane. Send Obe take off to a good start. One land so you take off to a good landing. Although at times it to me
turbulence to me.
Turbulence to me. But Uganda as an opponent, I prepare for them. Oh, Tamale, we didn't. Prepare well for Uganda.
Will Ghana go to the World Cup?
Next to impossibility.
Next to impossibility.
Yeah. Egypt nyado bejeja ho.
Until you qualify and qualify.
Yeah, qualify.
Yeah, qualify.
Yes.
So Ghana is out.
But we will play for pride. Because you believe that
Ghana for Kojo Ebisa, what for the circle Kupama say can Ghana qualify for the World Cup or say next to impossibility. Impossibility too cannot be possible. Abem kwa beda ni fi money in fi Maggie Cubes and a for Canano. Omodi ada sa nsabeti ya kasa ahyehyɛ sunku bi ya agro ne fam dwumedie so na Ghana for kwadwo mpempi ode san ahyehyɛ sunku itweba osan to aso bisa sɛ Ghana referee ba kwa ne celebrate ne yepa referee Olamte na papa yi na sentem mpemfo ɛwɔ FIFA etimi ekɔ nakra na hwehwɛ ne nneɛma mu a hu sɛ ampa immigration officer yi ohwɛ de mudi a wetua sagye afi betting companies ne omdwumedie ometua di wɔ ha otimi sampa referee de in terms of corruption de sɛ aban etimi yi ne fi krom akɔtra ba bia na sɛ corruption kran ka fi krom ha but we hwese na nhyɛ ne sie kwa ani FIFA amana live band referee Olamte ne papa Olamte no so di referee amafo ba ka no ne the first Ghanaian FIFA referee okopie mo World Cup at when bi ne papa no obobra pa o referee dim ba ne beye nim gwa Australia ba no wo fero se kokopa ma executive committee chairman hu ne sen
and right say Olamte referee Olamte FIFA abandon for life but now e ade abadeda and okokas now FIFA say still that decision in China. Yankobo match ni biom.
Meaning the laws of the game. You cannot use any protest to overturn it. And see, CAS and FIFA was set precedents that we are all going to follow. But when you rule on a given matter, that's a CCR, Moko review committee, no review, no catch the guy took a very bad penalty. I can push based on this ruling. The results must be overturned. What I say? When neutralizing, these are the things, right? And we may be moving into controversies. Every match, throwing in a measure or confirm one what Asham into what Asham is that. Now the results will have to turn. This will be the son of controversy. I can tell you, sir, I watched the game and the penalty was not a penalty.
Yes.
As a Ghanaian, I have to say it as it is. People have questioned name officiating staff with regard to Tamayut Olympics, Mediama, Dwarves, and
plus many on the African continent.
Everybody or to me the mistake. I'm other Kamano with the Shamu.
I'm off officer for one control. Na mujan sa na de na pro sa na de akwabon
na ma that come na control
no the count say no executive committee
ntin come go so nuku ma na
but say you are supposed to deal with the issues
mosho ana make sure there wenya ba etema wenya ba
should ever take part of the blame refuse to correct
the Ghana for Kojo our Ghanaian firms no the for say ko pa questions no the odi pian but say first and second world war no na rest na name si ko so no the preach the cry no banda epiem ediama general secretary in charge of marketing of Ghana Football Association for Kachiura Adom and afina na ben eyin papa yi very noble man but then nsem ekopie no fa Papua New Guinea Ghana for my wadi omnitven sanchira se omche se alleged say oral sex no manum dodo muti omne ma bi kodin sa so fast na be ombetimi ne sa guest yetimi sa akoda ho guest na ni anje ho omche se wohwe my sexual harassment e wo sa kromo Papua New Guinea mra no e different had utimi share guest say sister wochi e kama pa wanim so da so ne ade but ho de nya sa ho but says papa yi na manum dodo mu ora tino omne omde omo epempem so amani wrestling na Mexico so FIFA abandi om a 15 months ban and the atom so if say ko pa sanse mi muka ho semsen
now two members of the Football Federation, one executive committee member, Nana Benyi Eisen, tournament ewo Papua New Guinea. You say, also say verbal abuse, and might be verbal abuse. Also FIFA suspending, or acting general secretary, FIFA suspending. What I say? I said there seem to be so much indiscipline within the system.
With regard to Aikado na a friend and Ankanam, cultural differences. Assembly Amutuma can Hamako Scott free. You may not have it in certain environment. That's what transpired. Me legally, I spoke to a lawyer and he told me point blank that due to cultural differences. That is what led to that. Oh, Moshe me home say so. And then why if you can you say I have sexually?
Not now when I'm catching a bass and wife. When I'm sad,
oh, no, why if I mean can.
Yes, one can wife and okay, yes, you was in the Nufu judge so. The two a sheep come.
Is that what?
Yes, in Pokwa, who get no catch again, again in Pokwa, Pokwa is solid.
Mosho, what is wrong with that?
What is wrong with that? And we get
by describing God's creation, what is wrong with that?
Oh, Mama, you don't see anything wrong with that.
Mosho, Ababano.
This is Sandra camera.
It's a Bessiano way of Fena catching there. Madam, you're looking good, man. What's wrong with that?
Oh, sir.
Maybe the baby and you are.
Debbie, and you're looking good. I said, no, can you?
I can't.
Oh, Banana, he's looking good.
When if no change, I don't find
because your breast is round.
There's nothing wrong.
Or so you have a kissable lips.
But do you think in Ghana, Muntum menye Sandra in Diago Dama?
No, I'm saying
no, maybe so. Muntum menye Sandra in Diago. Oh, Sandra.
But when you take offense,
when you
and you don't say this man issue indiscipline.
It depend on how you relate to Sandra. Maybe I mean Sandra to them. And I'm sorry, cultural differences. Honor than chance.
So you don't see anything wrong with that.
For sure. And I'm cultural that as
wo fed osef kwakupa man na echechem se na ben esi ne Ike Adom nkomo etie kopi mo Papua New Guinea omhia ba mso ye kon na do man ka so msisi na do no na ne e de asema brem e wo mdwumadi a omkodi ye mu uko India culture differences no ene se ne prepare ye guess ya system patriotin wasi mukofodi afijase timi ye be share ben no wo ka stories ne dia obebre ansa na guess ya twema ba ko ama wetimi aba out e wo ne taisim but uko India e man na pe boys no inti culture differences eno na papa yi one ninua omkoye wo Papua New Guinea dia asamatia samba nyame adoma ebedi sankomo echi na ya aka wachire bia dia bro we Fridays edition emedi etwa to okra no Jeffers keba Mr. Madama omde de Jeffers edu etahwe ba kopi etachire aboa emedi sa dwumede kesi etimejaw Jeffers edu maka chiro de da se manom emema so no mo setimi ke bibetua bo ma nema kwede ma Jeffers eba center otachi mazongo traffic light na se Kings Walk eba shop Okanshi Dog Lane Kolina keba shop Kumasi Aston ni keba Bogo so amen sa otakwa de market circle wa sebidu fi otakwa se wa heba shop ewa Shantima Mpon obetia fe Jeffers 4 0261319895 na phone Jeffers phone pin for yen twetwen komom in terms of apomo don sem de madama obetia bo ma nema etia kwede ma Abicus creation at a Mills Junction ewo Fanko barrier e kanta de pom ne pam omo pam e support United mame omo ya de pa omo de da so betua ko Abicus creation omo kachi obetua from 0243376781 madama GTP no say me share consistently omo aya de papa na ebo amanema etua ko yi we so ne begina na ye de nenso so no etimi asi osmosis ono ne Mike me say kama na wonderful guys are woman so etimi e de camera de simanim bi coat mu futuro nya sem keto kra mete ho pampan no wani ma ana afi so mama Eunice omi na etimi sa touch the hard working Sergio Manucho ana afi so me on official photographer ni wetimi se anka ne camera no ne pixels na say ti wotwa intwa Esther ana afi so Lizzy so make me up camera me sure say na kwa Friday dey betimi etimi spend night na afi etimi e make me down asaka ho erade ntena ni ma onye okese youth be ni da so ni fanko be ni da so me the Enoch Kwesi Walanyo Wallace. I could catch back up. The only nomenclature the professors doing sports, the original Wallace, and I'm Jinemu, of course, evidence-based sports presentation. It's Mijao. For the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.